Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne, and my hair is a hot, dry mess, and I'm about to get it together with something new. Yes, somebody please come rescue this hair. I think I have just what my hair needs. Yes, Roses, it's wash day, and I'm about to get my hair together with this sea moss gel. Now, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos, because if you notice, my last video was also on using sea moss, but on another area of the body. Anyway, getting back to this, let's go ahead and get this into these dry strands. Facts. Sea moss contains 92 of the 102 minerals our body needs to survive. Can you believe that? So you know you're really giving your hair something special when you put this in your hair. And as you can see, I'm already beginning to detangle. This is so gentle for the hair as well as the body. And I mean inside and outside the body. Yes, you can ingest sea moss as well. It will soothe the scalp and build up hair fibers at the same time. And with someone like me who is struggling with alopecia and I'm low porosity and I have thin hair, this really helps. Yeah, it's jam-packed with moisture and it has awesome slip. As you can see, I'm already getting rid of little knots and shed hairs already with my fingers. Isn't that something? So yes, type 4 naturals, you can use this as well. Okay, you see how simple that was? So what I can tell you right off the bat, this is a wonderful detangler. Did you guys see what it did to my hair the moment it touched my strands and I began to slowly work it through? Yeah. And not that I'm using it for this reason, but look at the curl poppage. And this is just the pre-poo. So I'm going to twist this up. I'm going to let this sit on my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes and, marinate a little bit more. And then go ahead with my wash day routine. Oh, other thing I'm using it for. You see these edges? Yes, we're still working on these edges and we will probably never stop working on these edges. With the cool touch of this on my scalp, because this does have to be refrigerated so it is cold. Go ahead and give your edges and scalp some love. Let that work its way in, stimulate those follicles, and then once I wash my hair out, it's all gravy. That's it. That's what I'm now using sea moss for. To help stimulate hair follicles and promote additional hair growth. Detangle. Use this as a wonderful pre-poo. The amount of moisture in this is amazing. And it's all natural. I would give this a try. So let me know if you've used sea moss for your face, for your scalp, for your hair, in smoothies. Yes. In tea, I've used it for all that. Tea, yes. A little bit of a scent, reminds you of the beach, maybe the ocean, but not so strong that you just not dare use it. Let me know what you've used sea moss for if you're considering using sea moss. Oh, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and get ready for the next video. I'll talk to you later, Roses.